Many content creators post videos on TikTok for likes and comments. By the end of the day, they walk away with $0. Now listen to this. Mimoon has flipped that. It will give you a base salary just for posting. Not for going viral, not for million views, but for simply showing up. This is Elijah, Digital Wealth Blueprint. I'm going to be breaking down how this works. So I urge you to stick around and watch the video to the end. Let's take a ride. Welcome back and thank you so much for sticking around. Let me take a dive into what the offer is. So what Mimoon is actually offering you is actually an opportunity of you becoming a lifetime content creator. And what they are offering is a guaranteed monthly salary of $6 for creating a particular number of videos. I know that is not retirement money, but it's guaranteed money for content that you can already make. You might have a question, what are the requirements? Well, there are only two requirements. Number one, you have to have a TikTok account. If you're watching this and you have a TikTok account, you already qualify. Then the second requirement is that you have to have video production skills. Now, that doesn't mean that you have to produce videos like Hollywood videos. That means you can record, you can cut, something that is just basic, and then post those videos. There is no follower minimum, no view threshold, no application fee. Two requirements, that is the door. Here's exactly what you would need to do. Contact Caroline via the number that is actually flashing on the screen. Once you contact her, all you need to do is you type 1111. Then you send her the TikTok account's link. That is it. 3 steps. Message, link, then you're done. Do not overthink. Do not write a paragraph. 111. That is the key. Now, let me add the blueprint thinking. $6 is not the floor, not the ceiling. Once you're in the program, you build the relationship. You prove you can post consistently. You prove your videos can drive traffic to Mimoon. Then you negotiate higher salary, performance bonuses, exclusives. The program is called Long-Term Creator for a reason. They want stability. You want leverage. Give them consistency first, then raise your price. One rule is not written but implied. Post quality content, not spam, not reposts, not low effort. Mimoon is paying you to represent them. Act like it. Your TikTok account is your portfolio. Treat it like one. Now here's the truth. $6 a month is not wealth, but the system behind it is a recurring payment, low barrier entry, room to grow. This is the Digital Wealth Blueprint. Find a small guaranteed income, stack it, then scale it. Contact Caroline, send 111, your TikTok link. I am Elijah. Go become a creator, and I will see you at the top.